Remember diving head first into Night City, only to find his voice or Johnny Silverhand's snark completely missing. It's so crushing. When the incredible atmosphere of Cyberpunk 2 goes silent, but don't worry, you're not alone in there. Are ways to fix it. We're going to dive into the most common culprits and get your audio back, so you can fully immerse yourself in every hindrance moment. Okay, so before we give into anything super technical, let's cover the absolute basics that often get overlooked. First, double-check your Windows volume mixer to ensure Cyberpunk isn't muted or set super low and that you have the correct output device selected. Is it your headphones or speakers? Also, hop into the game's audio settings to make sure master volume is up and nothing's been weirdly toggled off. It sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how often this is the culprit. If the basics didn't do the trick, it's highly likely we're looking at some driver shenanigans. Your audio drivers, the weather, it's relative, NVIDIA, audio, or something else can sometimes become outdated or corrupted, causing all sorts of problems. Head over to your motherboard manufacturer's website or the device manager to grab the latest drivers, and while you're at it, make sure your good drivers are also up to date, as they can sometimes play a role in audio pass-through. A fresh install can often work wonders here. Sometimes the issue isn't with your system, but with the game files themselves. A common hiccup after patches or unexpected shutdowns. Every game launcher, be it Steam, God, or Epic, has an option to verify integrity of game files or similar running. This check tells the launcher to scan your Cyberpunk installation for any missing or corrupted files and automatically replaces them. It's like giving your game a quick health checkup, and it often resolves strange audio bugs without needing a full reinstallation. If you're still in silence, we need to dig a little deeper into your system's audio settings. Sometimes other applications or even Windows exclusive mod can hijack your audio device, preventing Cyberpunk from using it. Try disabling exclusive mod in your sound device advanced properties within Windows and close any unnecessary background applications that might be vying for audio control. Also, consider temporarily disabling any third-party audio enhancements or virtual surround sound software, as they can occasionally conflict with game audio.